Hi, second graders, it's Miss Grace. So you listen to 3 seasonal songs with your teacher. You listen to Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, Jingle Bells, and Frosty the Snowman. So now you are going to think about your favorite song out of those 3, and you are going to be writing an opinion writing piece. So you should have watched the 2 opinion videos that talks about what an opinion is and what opinion writing is. Here is a graphic organizer. This is going to help us organize our opinion writing. So it starts off with, in my opinion, ... It says here at the top, state your opinion, which is your topic sentence, provide your reasoning, 1 reason, 2 reason, 3 reason, and then close your paper. So in the video you heard that you could think of an Oreo cookie, and I have that written right here. Think of an Oreo cookie, which has an opinion is the O, the R is reason, the E is explanation when you explain your reason, and then the O is opinion. But we have 3 reasons here. So we have a mega stuffed Oreo. So we have an opinion at the top. So here's our big O. And then we have a mega stuffed, so big filling, reason and explain, reason and explanation, reason and explanation, and then opinion at the end. So there's our last O. So I have that over here. You can see that here. It talks about the Oreo and the mega stuffed Oreo. So whichever song you pick, you need to make sure that you have 3 reasons. Over here, it says opinion times 2. And the O in the beginning of the Oreo means opinion, and at the end of the Oreo means opinion. And that's because you need to state your opinion with your topic sentence in your closing sentence. So topic sentence, state your opinion, closing sentence, restate your opinion. It's like the same sentence, but you kind of rearrange the sentence and you don't write the same exact one, but it's saying the same opinion. And these are some reasons that the second grade teachers came up with to possibly use to support your opinion of which song is your favorite. So these 3 songs, and maybe some of these reasons are specific to a certain song, or they're kind of could be used for lots of the different songs, but makes me think of Christmas. That reason works for all of them. All of these songs make me think of Christmas. Rudolph, Jingle Bells, and Frosty all make me think of this time of year, the holidays, the Christmas season. The second reason here that I have brainstormed is reminds me of snow. So all of these remind me of snow a little bit. Especially Jingle Bells and Frosty the Snowman. Building snowmen. Frosty the Snowman, definitely. That would be a good reason. Building snowmen. Sledding. That has to do with Jingle Bells a lot. Dashing through the snow. This next reason says reminds me of what do snowmen do at night writing. So Frosty the Snowman definitely could remind me of that. I like to sing along. That could be a reason for any of the 3 songs. I like the beat. I like to dance to the song, I like the instruments they use, and I like the tune. So all of those could be used for any of the 3 songs. So you need to pick your favorite song. You can only pick one. And come up with a topic sentence, 3 reasons why, and a closing sentence. And I'm going to do one here as well. I'm going to model one. So have your idea in your head. Right. My song that I'm going to pick is Jingle Bells. So my first opinion sentence up here, my topic sentence, needs to be a complete thought, a complete sentence that starts with a capital and ends with a stop sign. It's going to end with a period. So my topic sentence to introduce my writing is showing that my favorite seasonal song is Jingle Bells. So how could we write that sentence? So I wrote, here in the top, state your opinion, Jingle Bells is the best seasonal song of all time. And then over here, I added a few examples. Blank is the best seasonal song. In my opinion, blank is the best seasonal song of all time. Blank is the greatest seasonal song. I think that blank is the absolute best seasonal song. So those are just some ideas of sentence starters to get you going if you're having a hard time coming up with your own topic sentence. And there's blanks there because you would be picking your favorite seasonal song, which you could have that in there. My favorite seasonal song is blank. So why don't we add that? with a period. All right, so that's my opinion sentence up here, and then I will have kind of a similar or different one of these. It's going to be very similar, but it could be a different choice from over here, sentence to close your paper. So I'm going to go ahead and write my closing sentence here just so that I know that I have my topic and my closing sentences figured out, and they're both my O's. So down here I wrote, my all-time favorite seasonal song is Jingle Bells. I can't wait to listen to it again. So you need to make sure, I want you to go ahead and pause, and I want you to write your 2 opinion sentences on your paper. You need your topic sentence and a closing sentence. 2 opinion sentences so that you have your 2 O's for your Oreo cookie, your 2 opinions done before we even get to our reasons. So go ahead and stop and fill those in now. Right, now that you have your opinion sentence figured out and you have your songs, remember yours does not have to be Jingle Bells. Mine is Jingle Bells. Yours could be Rudolph or Frosty the Snowman. And you need to write the whole name of the song. And notice over here, they're written, so we should spell them correctly. And the letters, the first letter is capital because it's the name of a song. It's like the name of a book. So that's why Jingle, the J and the B in Jingle Bells are capital everywhere. So you need to make sure that yours have a capital letter. So double check that. If you need to pause, go ahead and pause. All right, now we are on the Mega Stuffed 3 reasons. So you have to pick 3 reasons as to why this song is your favorite. So I'm going to go ahead and look at this little purpley pinky box down here that has some ideas of reasons. So Jingle Bells. So Jingle Bells definitely reminds me of sledding. It starts off with dashing through the snow. So I'm going to use sledding as one of my reasons. And I think I'm going to do, I like to sing along, so I love to sing along to it. And I think my 3rd reason will be that it makes me think of Christmas because we hear it during this time of the year. So I need to, each of those reasons is going to be in its own box, and then I will have to explain the reason. So I'm going to start off with, it makes me think of Christmas. So my first reason here in this box says, one reason I love this song is that Jingle Bells makes me think of Christmas. So I turn my reason makes me think of Christmas into a complete sentence. I only ever listen to this song during the holidays. When I am listening to this song, I know Christmas is near. So I explained why the song makes me think of Christmas, saying that I only listen to the song during the holidays and that when I'm listening, I know Christmas is here. Notice I started off, I used a transition. One reason I love this song is, that's my transition that I use to get my sentence started. I didn't just say makes me think of Christmas or it makes me think of Christmas. I have a little transition in there. One reason I love this song is, I could say that I love this song because, I could put that here. This is where we have our becauses. Remember, no becauses in the beginning, no becauses in the end. The becauses all go in the middle because we're explaining why we love this song. So there's my first reason and explain of one reason why I love Jingle Bells. So now I'm going to go on to my next reason. And this one I'm going to do that. I think it reminds me of snow, it reminds me of sledding. So I have to pick which one of those I'm going to do. So I know in the book it's talking about riding in a 1-horse open sleigh, and when I go sledding there's no horses involved, but I'm still going to use sledding because it makes me think of sledding, that song, being out in the snow and being in my sled instead of a sleigh. So that's my second reason. So my second reason, I started with the transition, another reason. So remember the first one was one reason I love this song. Here I used another reason. Excuse me. Another reason I love this song is that it reminds me of sledding. I don't have a sleigh, but I do have a sled that I love to use to go dashing through the snow. So there's my reason and my sentence explaining my reason. So now we're off to our third reason. So my last reason, my third box, I kind of switched up my transition. So I had one reason, another reason. I could have written my last reason, but I just wanted to give you guys another option. I wrote, I also love this song because I like to sing along. I love listening to this song and singing along. I don't think that I could hear it play and not sing along. And then once again, the closing is here. So then when I'm all done, I have a very strong opinion writing piece explaining my opinion and why I feel that way. So I'm going to read it from the top to the end. It says, Jingle Bells is the best seasonal song of all time. Now I'm going to go to my reasons. One reason I love this song is that Jingle Bells makes me think of Christmas. I only ever listen to the song during the holidays. When I am listening to the song, I know Christmas is near. Another reason I love this song, is that it reminds me of sledding. I don't have a sleigh, but I do have a sled that I love to use to go dashing through the snow. I also love this song because I like to sing along. I love listening to this song and singing along. I don't think that I could hear it play and not sing along. My all-time favorite seasonal song is Jingle Bells. I can't wait to listen to it again. So there is my opinion writing. So you need to be writing your opinion writing and using you need to have your 2 sentences here and then your 3 reasons. So use your graphic organizer to write your sentences in just like I did. And then tomorrow we are going to write it on paper. Hope you guys had fun writing with me today. I will talk to you later. Bye.